Hello guys, so in this video you are going to learn how to resize an image using a graphics package called GIMP, and also learn to reduce the resolution of images or downsample images, okay, using the same software. Okay, so GIMP is more like Photoshop, but it's a free source software, which is great. Okay, so the question says, open the file remora.jpg, save a copy of this file in your work folder, resize this file to 80 pixels wide. So when we say wide, we're talking about width now. Save this file as remora1.jpg. So let's handle that first before any other thing. So let's locate the remora.jpg file from our source file. Where's the image? Remora. Okay, this is it here. So we copy it. So we go back to our worked folder. In fact, I'm going to create a folder here called task 12C. All right, and of course within that same folder, I'm going to paste the image which we're going to need for this task. Okay, so now I'll right click and then go to open with, of course with GIMP. I'll convert. Now what we're going to do is to change the height of the image. So ensure that you click on rectangle select tool, all right, and also make sure that you have aspect ratio fixed aspect ratio here. All right, so go to image, from image scale image, and then from there you're going to see the width of the image. So you're going to change the width of the image to 80 pixels or 80 pixels, right? So ensure that this is pixel, not any other unit. All right, good. So you can click on scale. Okay, so let me see the question again. So we're going to save this file as remora1.jpg. So this time around, we're going to actually save the file as JPG instead of a GIMP format file. So we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Export. So this time, not Save or Save As. We're going to use Export, the export link. So we're going to click on Export. So of course, look for your folder from this left pane. And of course, I'm already there inside my folder. So, and ensuring that I have the JPG format is already selected. So I'm going to change it to 1. So if you want to change it to any other format, or your own is not in JPG, please, you can click on this select file type down here, and then you can select the file type that you want. So I'm going to export now. So a dialog box is going to show up to give you also a means of downsampling or maybe reducing the quality of the image. So we're going to leave this one as 91, the quality as 91, and then we're going to export. So let's go back to the folder and see how it looked. So the main the original file, the original picture or image is 29 kilobytes, and then the Remora one is about 14 kilobytes. As you can see, the image has reduced since we reduced the width of the image, so the size has reduced. So the loading time on a web page will be faster, right? Of course, reduced resolution, which is not that great, but the loading it's going to look quick on a web page. All right. So the next question says reduce the resolution of the image further by downsampling and save the new image as remora2.jpg. So downsampling an image means to reduce the number of pixels or to reduce the resolution or the quality of the image. So sometimes you need to reduce the quality of the image just for web purposes or something like that. So we're gonna go to our software. I was jump again and then go to File and Export again. Export as. So this time around we're going to name it Remora2, and of course export. So from this interface, from this dialog box, export image dialog box, we're going to reduce the quality now from 91 to somewhere like let's say 20. Let's take the 20. Okay, so we're going to reduce the quality of the image. So we're going to export into that same folder. So I'll go back to the folder and see the difference. So as you can see, the Remora 1 is more like lesser than the Remora 2. Sorry, Remora 2 is lesser than the Remora 1. So it's 10 KB, and then this one is 14 KB. So it has been downsampled to 10 KB. All right, which is not that great, but you know, loading time. You have to also consider loading time when using it on a web page. All right, so that is for that. So the next thing we're going to do before we end this exercise, we want to save this particular file as a GIMP extension. So we're going to simply go to save or save as, okay, and then of course save it as a GIMP extension. Where's my, okay, so I'm going to save it inside the tax12c folder. Okay, so as you can see from here is Remora. So let me just have it as just Remora, instead of Remora 2. Okay, let me just leave it at Remora 2 since we stopped at Remora 2. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as Remora 2 .xcf, which is the extension of GIMP. All right, so I'm going to save that. So if you go back to your folder, you're going to see that it's in GIMP format, XCF. All right, so I think that answers the question. All right, thank you so much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.